Psychological safety in high-performing teams, the performance and effectiveness of teams in organizational settings are significantly influenced by the degree of psychological safety experienced by team members. This narrative examines the concept of psychological safety and its pivotal role in fostering high-performing teams, focusing on a case study team as a model for understanding and optimizing this dynamic. Psychological safety, a term coined by Amy Edmonson, refers to a shared belief among team members that the team environment is secure for interpersonal risk-taking. This aspect is crucial as it empowers members to express their thoughts, question the status quo, admit mistakes, and innovate without fear of negative repercussions. Edmondson's framework on psychological safety. Edmondson's framework provides an in-depth understanding of psychological safety, identifying key dimensions such as open communication, interpersonal trust, and learning orientation. Open communication emphasizes the importance of transparent and honest discussions where ideas and concerns can be freely shared. Interpersonal trust builds a foundation of mutual respect, belonging, and support among team members, which is vital for psychological safety. Learning orientation shifts the focus from assigning blame to learning from both successes and failures. Assessing these dimensions within our case study team allows us to identify areas that require improvement to enhance psychological safety. Accountability versus anxiety. Striking a balance between accountability and anxiety is essential in fostering psychological safety. While accountability ensures that team members are responsible for their actions, excessive pressure can cultivate a culture of anxiety, stifling risk-taking and open communication. Interventions to balance this dynamic might include redefining performance metrics to emphasize learning objectives and fostering discussions that validate mistakes as valuable learning opportunities. Such discussions help create an environment where accountability is understood as a pathway to growth rather than a source of fear. Team affective tone, the emotional atmosphere within a team, termed as team affective tone, heavily influences psychological safety. A positive tone, characterized by enthusiasm and support, enhances psychological safety, while a negative tone filled with criticism and tension undermines it. Leaders must assess the prevailing affective tone within their teams, recognizing emotional cues affecting team dynamics. Initiatives to promote a positive tone include team-building exercises, celebrating successes, and creating rituals acknowledging contributions. These efforts contribute to a supportive environment conducive to psychological safety. Establishing norms for speaking up is critical for empowering team members to voice their perspectives confidently. These norms should encourage curiosity, value diverse opinions, and outline guidelines for respectful dialogue. Structured brainstorming sessions that value opinions regardless of rank or experience facilitate such norms, with leaders modeling by explicitly inviting feedback and demonstrating receptiveness to suggestions. Fostering a vibrant feedback culture is critical in psychological safety, allowing continuous, constructive feedback that enhances team performance and cohesion. Teams should implement processes for giving and receiving feedback, focusing on specific behaviors rather than personal attributes. Regular feedback sessions where team members share input in a safe environment reinforce the notion that feedback is a tool for fostering individual and collective growth. Formulating interventions to optimize psychological safety within the case study team. Targeted interventions can be employed. These may include conducting anonymous surveys to assess current levels of psychological safety, facilitating workshops to promote open communication, establishing regular feedback loops, and encouraging team reflections post-projects to review successes and areas for improvement. Psychological safety is a fundamental component of high-performing teams. Utilizing frameworks, balancing accountability with anxiety, nurturing a positive team affective tone, establishing norms for speaking up, and fostering robust feedback culture. Leaders can optimize the environment for vulnerability, risk-taking, and learning. Such interventions enable teams to unlock their full potential and achieve extraordinary results.